Thank you for purchasing a Core Innovations 80-mile range amplified indoor TV bar antenna. Before installing and using this antenna, please read the instructions carefully. If you have any questions regarding the instructions or warnings, please contact customer service. Check to make sure you have all necessary parts before starting installation. Follow these steps to install your antenna to your TV. Start by plugging the barrel end of the power supply into the DC input on the antenna and the AC end into an electrical outlet. If your TV has a digital tuner, simply connect the antenna's coaxial output cable directly to your TV's antenna input port. If your TV does not have a digital tuner, connect the antenna's coaxial output cable to your digital converter box, then connect your converter box output cable to your TV. After connecting your antenna to your TV, check the LED signal indicator to locate the best channel reception. The LED lights indicate ideal signal strength. Perform a TV channel scan. First, set the tuner mode to antenna or air on your TV's setup menu. Next, set your TV to scan for channels. Then, move your antenna and note which locations receive the most channels and best channel reception. Once you have found the optimal location for your antenna, you may place the device in one of the following configurations. Placing your antenna higher up or in a position angled toward the broadcast tower may result in better reception. Place your antenna on a console, table, or other flat surface near your TV. Use the included 1/8 inch by 1 inch screws and plastic anchors to mount your antenna to the wall. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your Core Innovations indoor TV antenna. Now you can access HDTV channels up to 80 miles away free of charge.